Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get a boating license in Florida. This is very important because Florida requires a certain boat operators to complete a safety course because they can legally drive a boat. So in Florida, it's not exactly called a license. What you actually need is a boating safety education ID card. If you were born on or after January 1, 1988, and you plan to operate a boat with 10 horsepower or more, this requirement applies to you. So the first thing that you need to do here is to take a Florida approved boating safety course. You can complete this course online, which makes it very convenient. So the course will teach you basic boating rules, safety procedures, and how to operate a vessel properly. So once you finish the course, you'll need to pass the final exam. And after passing, you'll receive proof that you completed the course. So in most cases, this allows you to move forward with getting your official ID card. Next, your information will either be submitted automatically or you follow simple steps to request your Florida Boating Safety Education ID card. So, this card is what you will carry as proof that you're allowed to operate a boat legally in the state. If you need to start boating the right way, there is also a temporary certificate option. So, this lets you operate a boat for a limited time while waiting for your official card, but this is only valid for a short period and should not be used as a long term solution. So, to keep it simple, first check if you need the requirement, then take an approved boating safety course, pass the test, and get your boating safety education ID card. And once you have it, you are ready to legally operate a boat in Florida. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.